Where is MULN going next? Should you buy, sell, maybe wait? And I'm definitely the next few minutes you're gonna just walk all of this video, complete step by step what I'm gonna do to actually understand where this thing is gonna go, and just gain clarity on the Mullen automotive stock and its technical analysis and price predictions and MULN forecast. Right, all called in this YouTube video. This is not what I normally do. I normally just do a quick technical analysis. People are confused. They're just saying, "What the hell is this?" You just put some lines on the chart. Yeah, this is going to be a little bit more in depth. So let's get right into the sauce. And I'm very excited to actually show you this. Mullen, right? The thing, let's not just play very simply. I'm going to get technicals, then I'm going to touch upon the fundamentals, and I'm going to get back into technicals. But let's not play dump, right? This thing is just awfully been going down regarding technical analysis and just from this bird's eye view. We cannot discuss this, right? You cannot argue this. This is very bad. Okay, this thing has been going down. I understand we had splits, but the chart is still exactly the same. It does not matter. From 2012 to the last 11 years has been going down, right? If you just simply go ahead and just take a quick little look at like the overall thing that you see, like when you search Neo, not Neo, but MULN, you're definitely gonna see a few news, right? News. Should you care about news? I mean, I don't really give a f, right? Why? Because I've been kind of um, c- been following a strategy and system that I don't really need to actually just check out news and actually really care about them. And my mind is very quiet. I don't actually stress that much what this here is going to say because of what's this is very different from what you're seeing, and I'm absolutely aware you're going to think, what is this guy talking about? But my man, right, my girl or whatever, I've been bearish on Mullen like from the start of this year. And it's not just with Mullen, like this happens day in and day out, all hundreds and hundreds of wins over the last 6 to 7 months. It's crazy. You can check out all the proof and everything. Let's check out Mullen, right? Let's check out here. Just go through some wins. The most recent, this is not even the most recent, but before after proof, scroll through a bit. Before after proof. These are all different, right? From all this year, before after proof of me being bearish on Mullen. It's all just being bearish, right? Following the same exact strategy. Keep in mind that with my strategy, it's not just on Mullen, right? I've tested this over the last 3 years, made 13,000 videos, so I've refined it over the process. So this is actually uh, got tier level, and people are gonna say, "Oh, how you know it's gonna go down or whatever," right? Following a strategy, right? If you're following a system that has shown to work in the past, normally that's what's gonna continue to happen if you actually just follow the rules. And this is the best thing about having a strategy like I do. You're not relying on any other people when they're what they're actually going to say. You actually are just doing your own thing, right? You're you're not waiting, you're just taking people's advice. Right? I really hate that. Nobody knows the context of this thing, but if you've tested a strategy, you're confident it actually works, and it has shown to work. This is when you actually just have confidence. Go on the chart, boom, 2 minutes, done for the day, right? To do an actual analysis. And I would definitely say maybe go ahead and check all the fundamentals, right? Might be kind of important or to care. But this is where this is the real fun, right? This is where it actually begins. Now, again, if you don't have a strategy, you're basically gambling. And if you want to have a kind of a strategy, understand what you should tweak for absolutely free, you can join my newsletter, okay? 550 plus subscribers in it, you get the most valuable tips and insights worth thousands of dollars every Sunday for free in your DM. Tomorrow I'm sending a letter, so make sure to not miss that. So yeah, make sure to go check it out yourself. And then definitely gonna help you a lot. Okay, I'm definitely saving you a lot of pain that I've been through because I've been exactly like you, trying to make these um, analysis right and where this thing is gonna actually go, trying to guess. It's not guessing, right? Having a strategy, executing it, and actually just being confident in your stuff. No, obviously this is not financial advice, and past results doesn't mean future success by any means. This is trading. Nobody knows except the funds where this thing is going to go. And now after they've been injecting this thing and just shorted, when is this thing going to end? For me, a beautiful indication is going to be multiple shifts on the weekly structure up, and for weekly is coming from $95, so it's definitely going to be on the lower time for like maybe daily chart. But until that happens, this is still in a weekly bearish range. And this is how my actual technical analysis look like. Broke below a 1 hour high, low, excuse me. And from there on, I'm bearish to the lows right there. And these are lows are 39 cents. Okay, so from the price movement right now, I'm bearish to the 39 cents lows, basically to new all-time lows to be made. Why? Because let me show you a very beautiful kind of understanding. Maybe this is going to hit it home. Why would I actually try and guess, right? Just go counter trend and be like, okay, here's going to go bullish, didn't go bullish, 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 except just being bearish. And then when this thing is actually bullish, I'm wrong one time, except just being wrong all the time, right? This is why I cannot stand people. I mean, yeah, I understand high risk, high reward. People are treating some stuff like lottery tickets. But with this stuff, I would absolutely say just my tip follow trends. Follow trends. Trends are your friend, right? And with that in mind, you could be like going on the chart, bam, Mullen is bearish. Where am I so pretty bearish? Now I understand like there's a lot of biases. There's a lot of group thinking in the communities like that. So people are completely blinded, right? They're blinded. There's nothing ill against Mullen in my heart or my soul or whatever. I'm just following my system, right? I know don't typically make these types of long videos. I just typically just go boom, 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 minute and a half in, bam, we're done. But I just really wanted to take this a little bit longer, right? And I'm not going to take you even longer than this one that I have right now. But I would definitely like to read this one right here, right? This is from Ocean Life 143. Shout out to that guy. So here we have how to read pump and dump, right? Very quickly going over it. Due diligence isn't reading tweets, right? Especially in small cap companies, right? Here, let's check this out. If you're feeling going, take the time to learn how to read financial statements, etc. If something is said that isn't the feelings, be extremely skeptical, right? Do your technical analysis. For the long term, I'll definitely say that short term technical analysis king. Know what you own, right? It requires all this stuff. There's quite a few tips. I will definitely just say pause the video and read through it. This is very valuable information. Three, be extremely skeptical of companies entering in hot new businesses that aren't obvious extensions of their current businesses for that based on new proven technologies. Pump and dumps rely on buzz, or so on and so on. And then we have the four, stay far away from companies, engage in paid stock promotions. Lots of articles posted in the sub these doses that they're paid advertisements. If a company is promoting its stock when it's actually products, then you should be very concerned that this product aren't real. So maybe that hits home some valuable stuff before I actually just close off this video. But hopefully you understand that. Go ahead and just learn how to do your like reading financial statements and whatnot. Short term, definitely pretty bearish on this thing. Long term, for me to be bullish, I would love to see technicals just shift bullish and whatnot. But yeah, let me know what is your opinion on Mullen. If you want to take again advantage of your competition and be ahead of them, join the 550 plus subscribers in my newsletter once again. Sure, you're gonna like it.